everyone, I am Janvi Pavar. Welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here, then welcome to my channel. Alright everybody, listen to me very carefully. You're gonna have to stay till the end of this video. You're gonna have to stay tuned. I know a lot of you already do that. However, this one is really important. I mean, in the end, we're gonna be discussing words like these. So why not? So in this video, we're going to talk about 10 extremely difficult English words to pronounce, or 10 words that we usually mispronounce. So let's get started, everybody. All right, word number one. Now, before moving on to this old words thing, I have one question for you all, or you can just take it as a task. The task is, you guys are going to tell me the meaning of all of these words, right? You're gonna have time to guess, and then I'm gonna put out the meaning right here in the video. So let's get started now. Word number one is this one. This is usually mispronounced as Worcestershire or something like that. I don't know if you guys know the meaning of it. Well, it's a city, so this is not Worcestershire, it's Worcestershire. Worcestershire. You can even do it in a British accent, Worcestershire. Or in an American one, Worcestershire. Worcestershire. The next word we have is this one. It's pretty common. It's very common. Now this word, people usually say, okay, colonel. It's not colonel or kalal. A bit of tongue twister right there. It's colonel. Colonel. I know what you guys are thinking. This word nowhere has R, but we're still pronouncing. Yes, you're still pronouncing. This word is colonel. The next word we have, this is it's worth noting that when I was like 5 years of age, not even 5, I think when I was 4, I still remember this word was so difficult for me to pronounce. I don't remember a lot of my childhood, just like everybody, but I remember this one portion is that I spent days on pronouncing this word correctly. My father gave me this task. He said, that is a squirrel, and you have to pronounce it in a nice way. And I just used to pronounce it over and over. And I used to say squirrel, squirrel, squirrel. I never got it right. So it's not squirrel, it's squirrel. Squirrel. Not squirrel or squirrel, squirrel. The next word we have is this one. This is not hierarchy, this is hierarchy. Hi-rar-key. Hierarchy. Obviously, you guys have to pronounce all of these words after me. Hierarchy. The next word we have is this one. Okay, now I know this is a pretty long word. I don't know if you guys know the meaning of this word, but this is the word and this is the meaning. This is, just break it with me, just listen to me very carefully, right? This is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Now, what we're going to do, we're just going to break it. So first, it's super, then it's cali, then it's fragilistic, expiali, and docious. So it's supercalifragilistic, expialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. There's even a song in this word. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, right? I know, a bit hard. Well, let's move on to the next word. The next word is this one. Now, I know what you guys are thinking, quinoa or quinoa. No, it's quinoa. Quinoa. Just pronounce it after me, quinoa. Don't go to the spelling, it's not quinoa or whatever, it's quinoa. The next word is this one. It seems pretty easy when you look at it. However, in order to pronounce it, a bit difficult. This word is not mischievous, how it's usually pronounced. It's actually mischievous. Mischievous. The next word is this one. I know it's pretty long. Now this is, we're just gonna break it, right? Just like we did with supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. We're gonna break this one too, right? Let's go. So this is floxinocine hilipilification. So this is floxino, sinning, hilly, pilification. Floxinosinehilipilification. Sinehilipili. Just remember this. Floxinosinehilipilification. There you go. All right, just break it up. That's the trick. The next word is this one. It's the longest word out there in English language. How to pronounce this one? To be honest, this is one of the most easiest words that I've pronounced so far. I know what you guys are thinking. Oh, then you must be crazy. I'm not. Let me just tell you one thing. You just have to break this word, and this is very easy. So it's pneumono, ultra, microscopic, silico, volcano, coniosis. So these are basically different words in just one. So it's pneumono, ultramicroscopic, silico, volcano, coniosis. Just break it up. As I said, that's the pattern. And the last word for this video is this one. I don't know if you guys know the meaning of this one. However, this is the meaning, and obviously you have to use it in a sentence. So this is not epitome, it's epitome. 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 Now everyone, just listen to me very carefully. I know these are just 10 words, but if you want a list of these words and even more difficult words in English to pronounce, then go check out my book, which is 90 Days English Spoken Course. And yes, you will become fluent in just 90 days. So it has everything from phrases to daily life speaking, situational conversations, phrasal verbs, idioms, a lot of practice and worksheets, everything in that one book, 9 units, 90 chapters. Go check it out. It's on a sale right now. The link for it is in the description box down below. And as for me, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye everyone. Stay safe.